Hello guys and welcome back to another video with the web launch. Today we're talking about why the Bitcoin price is currently dipping. And before we get into any content, I will just do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research as always. With that in place, let's have a quick conversation before we go into the screen. I believe the best times to accumulate is when everybody is panicking, when the entire market is crashing, and you got to develop that skin though. Okay, you always want to do the opposite from people. If everybody is fearful, it's time to be bullish. So I don't really see as the end of the world. And I'm also going to show you that we have to fill up a couple of things, and it's currently playing out the 200 EMA period that I mentioned, probably from the past 2 weeks everywhere. And sooner or later, we have to touch the 200 EMA period, and also we have to fill the CME gap. And this is currently happening. So it's actually very, very interesting to have these corrections. And I don't think it's the end of the bull market yet. I don't feel that. I honestly don't. And according to our current economy and everything that is playing out, Bitcoin and Ethereum still one of the best assets to accumulate, really, even with today's dip. So I don't think it's time to long yet on a daily, but it's something that we're going to have a look together. So let's jump into the screen. Let me share my screen with you. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any specific altcoin or anything. First of all, let's have a look on the Bitcoin price on a daily. I believe that Bitcoin could go a bit lower. It really depends how we're closing the daily today, 27th of February, okay? Sometimes we touch the 200 EMA and we go all the way up, but sometimes we could squeeze a little bit more and create a new dip around 80,000 or even a little bit further, okay? Which is actually a good thing if we do drop to at least 80k, 75k. So I am personally not taking this trade yet. I could be wrong. Yes, I could be wrong, but I'm gonna wait to the daily. Okay, I always want to wait to confirm, and even waiting, sometimes I get stopped. It's absolutely normal. You need to be prepared for both things. I always tell everybody that if you are trading, you need to be prepared for both scenarios. If you are into the long term, you know that Bitcoin is going to go up anyways, right? So let's move into the CME futures. And also here, things are looking a little bit different than the current Bitcoin graph, okay? You see here on the CME futures that we have to go a bit lower to touch the 200 EMA period. So I don't think it's time to long yet. I always want to be sure. I always want to wait, okay? And if we move into this article, according to Cointelegraph, this is provided by Rect Capital, okay? Is the daily CME gap, and we need to fill that. And that is at 71,500. So it is not a time too long yet, on my perspective, based on a couple of decisions made on top of this information. Okay, I believe it could stop at 75. It could, or it could go all the way down to 71,535, and that would be normal. Okay, so I just want you to think and analyze. If you are buying in the long term though, it doesn't make any difference really, because you're just gonna wait longer than that. But if you can get a better price, why not? Why not to wait? You got to be very patient, right? Don't freak out just because everybody is bearish. It doesn't mean it's the end of the bull run, okay? But yeah, let's have a look together on crypto bubbles as well. Is looking pretty bearish today on my point of view, but I believe is a great time to accumulate some altcoins and also Bitcoin. But as I mentioned, if you want to wait a little bit more to catch a better price, I encourage you so. Okay, but the top losers today are TOS AI is down 32.5% on a weekly, and the top gainer today is IGT, is up 52%, called actually Infinita, according to Crypto Bubbles. But let's also have a look on CoinMarketCap so we can understand what is going on as well from CoinMarketCap. The top gainer today is STX, currently trading at 0.87, is up 11.92%. We got APT on a second place, trading at 6.22 and is up 11.01%. And third place, we got WorldCoin, which I'm currently holding on a long term. I definitely encourage you to visit the website, read the white paper, read the entire project. But I think it's a very interesting one, and it's definitely going to go high. And it's trading at 1.16. Even just going to $5, it's a massive profit, okay? And it's up 8.61%. We got Optimism, Jupiter, Ethena. I'm also holding some Ethena on a long term, and I believe this is going to do really well as is related to Ethereum, and I definitely encourage you to have a look as well. Or let me know in the comments if you want me to just do a very deep reading to the project or tour review. So I'll definitely do it if you want to. And Polkadot, Avalanche, Faith Network, LTC, Sandbox. We got a couple of things starting to pump, but I believe it's time to accumulate. I wouldn't be longing yet unless I see the dip formed on a BTC really great, which I believe it could take at least 24 to 42 hours. Okay, top losers today is Quant, trading at 100.25 and is down 7.40%. We got Dixie trading at 18.26 and is down 7.10%. And we got Story IP currently trading at 6.11 and is down 6.65%. So I personally like to buy dips that is around 20% to 30% deep. And yes, guys, I think when everybody's faithful is a great time to accumulate. Looking into our current economy, there is no other asset that is going to perform better than Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure. But let me know in the comments if you like any specific project and if you want me to do a quick review. And yes, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Remember, don't panic, wait and be patient because things will happen. Sooner or later, we have to fill the Cme Gap and the market is going to be back. Okay, it's definitely temporary. Do not freak out just because you see the entire community bearish. You know, you can't be FIFO when everybody is the same at the same level. We always want to play the opposite. And yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.